Thank you for clicking on the video. This is my hand skimmer. I love this thing. It really helps me to keep the tub clean. So what I do is I'll just put the bubbles on and kind of hang out where it's turbulent here. Got some things there, little things. Bang it off like that. Oh yeah. Not too bad there. It seems like the corners on these square tubs seem to be where the most turbulence is. So I can just kind of hang out here, see what all drifts into the skimmer. We're getting a little like, I don't know if those are little gnats or little pieces of grass. Go out in the middle, see if there's anything out there. I just kind of go and I try to. We got some things that time if you look closely. This skimmer all the time, and I did pick it up off Amazon. I'll leave a link below. It is an affiliate link, so if you end up clicking it, we may receive a credit. Use our links, I really greatly appreciate it. However, if you're out and about, check clearance right now because all of the big box stores have these skimmers on sale. They're clearing out their inventory. We were able to pick these up for I think $3.99 a piece. So just a little tip. It seems like all the hot tub and pool stuff is on sale currently at your local big box stores. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. If you could please give it a thumbs up and head on over to our channel. It would be greatly appreciated. Otherwise, happy tubbing. Take care.